Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss The Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Cancer, hi, welcome to Miss The Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And also, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let us see your energy, Cancer, for this October. Uy, 10 of Wands. A lot of responsibilities, a lot of loads. Maaring marami kang kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin. You might feel tired about what you do. So, actually, 10 of Wands, it's leaning towards the ending. So, kung ano man yung mga responsibilities na yan, by October, parang magpipeak siya. So, dadami responsibilities. But at the same time, meron kang i-release. Okay? So, pwedeng mababawasan yan. Ano yung challenge ng mga Cancer? 8 of Cups. Okay, so speaking of mababawasan, you're going to walk away or shifting. No? You're going to shift to another direction. Ayun. Kumulog na siya. Kung naririnig niyo yung kulog, kasi umuulan ngayon. Yes. So, yung challenge mo is, maaring yung change, nagdadalawang isip kang gawin. But it seems na you really need to redirect yourself para may magbago. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, parang pagod na sa paulit-ulit na routine, sitwasyon, wala nagbabago. Syempre, 'di ba? Sabi nga if you keep on doing the same thing and expecting different results, so it's somehow insanity, 'di ba? So, for some of you, ito yung challenge ninyo to make that change. To leave a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. So, let's see your opportunity. The High Priestess. Oh, this is also your energy, someone who's very intuitive. So, you have the opportunity to know what's best for you. You just need to tap into your instinct, your intuition. Maaring may mga signs ka na marireceive ngayong October na tutulong sa'yo to finally make that decision. Makapag-desisyon. Best possible decision. Kasi you're going to have this deep wisdom. Yung kaalaman, karunungan para i-lead mo yung buhay mo to a better situation. So, let's see your blessing. Your blessing is the 8 of Wands. Messages coming through. May good news rin na parating sa'yo. This can be related sa travel or you are finally taking action dun sa mga nakabitin mong mga plano, trabaho. Yes. So, may good news and travel opportunities rin for you. So, maaring if you are wanting to travel for work or travel for business or just a vacation, diba? Let's see your money energy. Wow, the World. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na kumita ng ng foreign currency. Oo, yung mga dollars, no? Dollars, Singaporean, Japanese, Japan dollars. Tama ba? Ay, yen pala yun. Japanese yen. USD, kung ano-ano pa. So, some of you, maaring you are working abroad, and that's where you are getting your money from. And rewards din to. So, merong success, merong completion. Yung iba sa inyo may matatapos na project na magiging very successful. At yung mga nasimulan ninyo ng mga projects before, ngayong October matatapos at makikita mo na yung resulta nun, and it's very rewarding. So, for your career, Queen of Pentacles, wow. So, for your career, you are on top of your game. Maaring, kahit na marami kang responsibilities, kayang-kaya naman yan ng income mo sa yung trabaho. And you are someone who is very loyal to your family, to your loved ones. Okay. Let's see, how about sa love mo naman? Love life. You have the Ten of Cups, happy family. This is fulfillment. So whether you are in a relationship or not, merong fulfillment sa'yo na binibigay ng family mo, ng mga iba mo pang mga mahal sa buhay. Yung ba sa inyo kontento na, no? Sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon. Or ngayong October, you will experience happiness with your family. This may be, includes traveling with them, traveling together. Yan. Travel opportunities with your family. Ngayong October. So, let's see what else. Yung iba naman, maaring meron magpapadala sa inyo ng pera abroad. Oo. Kung ano yung hinihintay ninyo na delay in the past, ngayong October, marireceive nyo na yan. Yung kaperahan na yan. What else for Cancer? Decisions. Meron kang decision making na kailangan gawin. Some of you related to sa legal matters. Pwedeng meron kang kailangan asikasuhin sa court or pwedeng sa government agencies. And then, may punishment. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga court cases, I think you will get the justice that you deserve, no? Yung dinideserve mo na hustisya para dyan. Okay. Let's see, ano pa. There is justice for you, Cancer. So, what else for Cancer? Think first before you judge. Okay. So, this is being open-minded, no? Na reserve judgment, kumbaga, may mga bagay na hindi, parang it is not what you think it is, as it seems, no? Kumbaga, parang, by the looks of it, there is more deeper meaning to what you see. So, mas maganda na you reserve judgment. And then, release your guilt, Clover. So, yung iba sa inyo na sinisisi nyo yung sarili nyo sa mga bagay na akala nyo kayo yung dahilan kung bakit may nasira na relationship or kung bakit nag-away or merong, alam mo yun, parang sinisisi mo yung sarili mo. As long as meron kang recognition na somehow may nagawa kang mali, nag-sorry ka na, pero kung hindi ka pa rin pinapatawad, hindi mo na problema yon. It's not on you. It's on the other person's issue na, no? So, kumbaga, for you, you have to release that guilt kasi you've already done your part. Okay? And it's time to take care of yourself. Take care of your energy. Kasi maaring merong manggi-guilt trip sa inyo na sasabihin na ikaw yung may kasalanan. Let's see what else. Wish will not be granted. Broken wishbone. So, maaring meron kang wish na hindi pa ibibigay sa'yo ngayong October. You know what? Pero mga ganyan, it's like a protection for you. Maaring hindi pa time na makuha mo yon, or there is something better. Short journey. So some of you meron talagang travel opportunities. Maaring local travel to with your family. This can also be business related. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan niyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.